Today's lesson is lesson 84, identifying the number of days in each month and identifying the number of days in a year. So if we look, this is a calendar of the year 2028. How many months are there? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have a total of 12 months in a year. And every year has 12 months. How are all the months alike? Well, if we look, all the months we have 31 days, 29, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31, 31, 30, 31, 31. This one's hard to see. I've scooted up. 30, and then 31. So all of the days in the month have between 29 and 31 days. So, and then if you look, all of them have about 4.5 weeks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit. They all have about 1, 2, 3, 4. They all have about 4.5 weeks in every single month. Okay. So if you notice, the only month that doesn't have 30 or 31 days is February. February has 29 days in the year 2028. But in 2027 or 2029, February only has 28 days. February will have 29 days on years that are called leap years, and that's every 4th year. Okay? So it has 28 days for 3 years in a row, and 29 days on the 4th year. And we call that a leap year. Okay, so the months that have 30 days are April, June, September, and November. The months that have 31 days are January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. And the only month that has 28 or 29 days is February. Okay, so there's a way to show how many days there are in a month. Okay, so hold your fists like I have shown here with your thumbs tucked in. Okay, the knuckles or the high points of your hand are the months that have 30 days. So that's January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. Okay, the months in between, so the little divot in between your knuckle, are the ones that have either 30 days except for February. So February, of course, doesn't have 30 days, but April, June, September, and November have 30 days. And there's a rhyme to help us remember this. Okay, and I'm going to pull that rhyme down because it's up higher. Okay, so the rhyme goes, 30 days have September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, excepting February, which has 28 days clear and 29 each leap year. So it's a good way to help you remember. Sometimes it helps to cut off this last sentence, and it goes, 30 days have September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 except for February, is another way to remember it with the song. Okay, so I'll sing it one more time. 30 days have September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 except for February, which then you have to remember has 28 days, and 28 days clear and 29 each leap year. All right, so how many days are there in a year? Well, I know that there are about 30 days in a year, in each month, and I know that there are 12 months in a year. So I can multiply these numbers together, and I want to find 12 groups of 30. And I can do this by first finding 10 groups of 30, which we know is 300, and then finding 2 more groups of 30. So 10 groups of 30 is 300, and 2 groups of 30 equals 60. So each year has about 360 days in it. Now, we have some extra days because there are all these days that have 31 days. There's 7 days with 31 days. Okay? So I have to add 7 days. So we get 367. But then February has 1 less day. So I'd actually have to subtract 1 from there. So most years have about 366 days in it, or 365 to 66 days. Okay? And our year is this long because it takes that long for the Earth to go around the sun. Okay? And that's it for this homework. Good luck on your homework.